apart. I have been sneezing so much today. I don't know what happened. My eyes all itchy. I feel like it's the start of spring bloom. Little pink, yellow flowers are out. Pink blossoms are on my fruit trees. Got plum trees. Got a peach tree. They're all starting to get blooms on it. Actually, the peach tree isn't getting its blooms yet. But, yeah. It's been a sneezy morning. I'm not sneezing right this second, but... Whew. It starts sneezing. Who knows? There goes one. I don't know why I didn't bring my handkerchief with me. So I don't have one. Yeah, I definitely feel like something's in the air. It's also been affecting my throat a little bit. It's been so cloudy and rainy. It's been rainy the past few days. Give me time to get caught up on some housework. But I want to go and get a walk in with my doggy. A little short one. Looks like it's gonna rain again. Saying it's 39 degrees. Ooh. Well, winter is still trying to have a stronghold here. Not too bad. It's not like snowing, but I feel like the cold is hanging around. I really need to stop itching my eyes on this. It's starting to bug me. Irritated. Can't really see it through my phone. It's more trees high up are still in the clouds. Well, it's colder over here. Look at this. Yeah, 38. Okay. Here we are. Rosie, you ready for a walk? Rosie? Rosie? To be continued. Birdies over the lake. Feels like the air pressure is changing. It's getting colder out. It's like 37 or 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, we'll get a nice walk in right now. Feels good. Gotta keep my hands warm. Put this phone away. Yeah, those clouds are really dark. Like it's gonna storm or something. Feels like it's spring. I mean, no, it is spring, but it feels like it's still winter. Okay, so it was too cold at the lake. So I decided to go a little bit more into town. It's a little better. Still cloudy for right now, but we'll do a little walk. gonna be a while before these flowers. This is the sweet pea field. It's usually all flowers in the summer, but they're hibernating right now. Still pretty brisk outside. Feels like it's like 37, maybe 36 now. It's like going down in temperature. Whew. Oh, okay. We'll get down there, but it's beautiful. Ooh. Sorry about that, my dog's shaking the whole thing. Gonna have to go inside and get warm.